The Honorable Minister of Youth and Sports Development, Sunday Dare, has called on the newly appointed Director General of the National Youth Service Corps, NYSC, Brigadier General Yusha'u Ahmed, to maintain the culture of discipline and training among corps members. The minister said they must take into cognizance the role of youth in the socio-economic development of the country.
The institution that you've been assigned to lead is critical to the development of our youth. It is the single largest concentration of Nigerian youth at the level in which they are most vibrant, most alive, and most ready to take the world. After 4 years in the universities, some of them have chosen their careers, some of them will be engaging with the real world, and the 1-year transition through the NYSC has become so critical, a part of the fabric of developing the minds, the careers, and the future of our youth. And that is why Mr. President pays very detailed attention to anything that pertains to the NYSC.
The Director General NYSC, Brigadier General Yusha'u Ahmed, said his visit was to afford him the opportunity to officially introduce himself to the Minister, Permanent Secretary, and top management staff of the ministry.
The aim of the visit is to come and introduce myself for the Minister to see me physically, instead of waiting to meet in a function or somewhere else, and I'll present myself as it is. Maybe the Minister will say, I have not seen this one before. That was the essence of my coming here, sir.
The NYSC scheme was introduced in 1973 as a tool to unite the youth of this country. Tolu Lokwe, Oguntimehin, ITV News.